Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the Trading123 Fibonacci Indicator for NinjaTrader 8. This is an automatic Fibonacci indicator that draws lines on the chart for you, so you don't have to. Here we're looking at crude oil here, August 25th. As you see, the major support levels with the Fibonacci comes down here to 78.6, holds it, gets over to 61.8, goes up to the daily open, and then our daily fib number here, which is a custom fib level that we input that NinjaTrader doesn't have in theirs, just like the yellow line, that is major support. So the price holds and then it breaks out and goes all the way up to the 100% fib level. So that's basically how the fibs work. As I said in previous videos, above this green line or yellow line, the trend is up. Below it, the trend is down, and you target one fib level to the next. So that's how it works. So let's look at a couple trades that we did using the fibs. Now, as you see, this is, pre-market, and right at the open, the market ran up to the highs. So here's a trade we did later, about an hour later after the open. Let the market settle down, and the market's going, from one fib level to the next, back up to the fib level, back down. So here we caught it long just as the price broke above the fib, and we're just looking to ride this up to the fib level, or we raise our stop to break even once our first target's hit. So not a big profit on that one, but a couple $100 as it stalled out right in this area here. So not all your fib trades are going to be home runs, but when you do have them, they're great. But basically you're targeting one fib level to the next. So this price is 94.61. If it went to 91.84, we get a 23 tick profit on 3 contracts. That would have been well over $600 in gain. So a nice move there. So let's look at another trade on this day. This is August 25th. So in that last trade was right here where the market was going up to this fib level. Then it kind of hung around the 61.8. We got short. This fell pretty quick. I was surprised how fast it fell. Basically, when you're trading the fibs, I should have just had a limit order, a couple ticks under it, and would have got in, a good 10 ticks higher. But still, we're trading 3 contracts here. Our first target hit at like 20 ticks. And then we're riding the other 2 down. So we're well into the profit. And then as this goes lower here down to the whole number, we'll take this stop and tighten it and exit the trade with a nice gain. So that's how you use the fibs. You can see here it's walking along the line here, and then sellers come in and down it goes. So here's our next trade on the 25th. Here, this is the NQ 2-minute chart. Like I said, you can use the fibs on any type of chart you want. And basically it's trickling here at the highs. It loses a fib level. We get short with the limit order, and now we realize we're probably going to sell down to this level here, and we load the boat with 7 contracts on an ATM strategy. So we're in the profit nicely, and we're just waiting for it to get down here to this profit target. And then here's another trade on August 26th on crude oil. As you see, it lost the daily fib level here, the green line. That's the line in the sand, as they call it, the sweet spot. Trend is long above it, short below it. we get short 3 contracts. First profit target's 20. So we got short at 92.46. And it sells off all the way down here to almost 92. So our first target is hit, and then it bounces off 92 and goes sideways. And our initial target here is this fib level at 91.88. So what will happen is the price will come down to this level here, get it a couple ticks, then it'll get some bottom feeders, do a little 1-2 candle bounce, and then the bottom falls out. It went right to our target.
New visitor.
It went right to our target, and we're out with a nice profit. So like I said before, you're not always going to have huge winners like this one, but when you do, they make your day. And you can do that in using the Trading123 Fibonacci numbers. So as I said before, these Fibonacci levels draw automatically on the chart for you. You don't have to draw them, and they're highly accurate. As you see, once the price loses this daily fib here, the green line, it sells off, and you target fib 1, fib 2, and then it was really weak and went all the way down here to the low of the day. So for more information, go to our website, Trading123.net. Click on the indicator link for the Trading123 Fibonacci numbers. And be sure to like this video if you found it interesting and educational. And follow us here on YouTube and social media, Twitter and Facebook. And we'll see you in the next video.